Welcome, curious minds, to the realm of chemistry, where elements dance, reactions ignite, mysteries unfolds. Today we embark on journey of scientific explanation of ions, anionic salts, unveiling the beauty and power of hidden world of ions in the ionic salts. So let's begin. As you can see on the screen, ionic salt. What is an ionic salt? Ionic salt is formed by ions, and you know ions are formed by the loss of and gain of electron. So ionic salt, as you already familiar with, they are formed from metal and non-metal. When they combine with each other, metal by giving its electron to the non-metal. When metal lose electron, it will become positive ion, and when non-metal gain electron, it will become negative ion. As you know, the name of negative ion is anion and the name of positive ion is cation. So here you can see metal loses electron and non-metal when gain electron. So when it gains electron, it becomes anion. So today we will talk about a new thing, experimental thing, that how can we detect or identify particular ionic salt. For this, we divide our ionic salt into two parts. First of all, we identify cation and then we identify anion. As you know, cation is a positive ion, and for identifying any kind of ion, we need a reagent, a reactant. Reagent is a particular reactant which is used to identify ion. So for the cation, we have a specific reagent. All cations, we use specific reagent, and that is aqueous sodium hydroxide, NaOH, and aqueous. And you know what is meant by aqueous? Aqueous means dissolved in water. This is sodium hydroxide. And second, this is the first one to test or to check the cation, and the second test reagent or reactant is ammonia, aqueous ammonia, ammonia dissolved in water. And now come to anion. For anion, we have multiple reagents. For different anions, we have different reagents. So you don't have to worry because you are provided by key for the reagents and their observation. I hope you understand how ionic salts are formed and what we are going to do to identify ionic salt. We use reagents. Here I already named them: sodium hydroxide, ammonia, and for anion we have different reagents. Every anion have a different reagent. Let me explain it more clearly. Although you don't have to learn it, you don't have to memorize it. It is very simple. You know, first of all, you need to know what kind of anions are in the syllabus. So you have chloride ion, you have bromide ion, you have iodide ion, you have sulfate ion, and you have sulfite ion, right? So these are the ions which you need to identify, and the first one is carbonate ion, right? Now what are the reagent? The reagent for this carbonate ion is any dilute acid. For chloride, it's AgNO4. 3. For bromide, it's AgNO3. For iodide, it's AgNO3. For sulfate, you use barium nitrate. And for sulfite, you use KMNO4. So rest of the thing I will explain in the next video. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.